Hey guys, this is just like a follow up to our previous video. And in our previous video, we were trying to talk about the difference between veins and venules. And in this video, we'll actually be talking about the difference between arteries and arterioles. Okay. Now let's talk about the arteries. To say that I don't even know where to keep my screen anymore. Yeah. They say that the artery is a blood vessel in humans and most animals that take blood away. All right. Now, arteries take blood away because this blood is oxygenated and needs to reach the rest of the body. Okay. It takes blood away from the heart. All right. Now, most arteries carry what oxygenated blood. The two exceptions are the pulmonary artery and the umbilical arteries. All right. And now what I want you to note most is the pulmonary artery. All right. The pulmonary artery carries what? Deoxygenated blood. And if you are carrying deoxygenated blood, you are taking it back to the heart. And which side of the heart? The right side of the heart deals with what? Deoxygenated blood. Now, we say that the effective arterial blood volume is that this is just like extra knowledge. And what you should know here is that arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Okay. You don't grab all the knowledge at once, you go step by step. Now, we say that arteries are part of the circulatory system that is responsible for the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the cells. If you are carrying oxygenated blood, then you are delivering oxygen and nutrients, all right? As well as what? Removal of carbon dioxide and waste products. Now, the maintenance of optimum blood pH and the circulation of proteins and the cells of immune system. Okay, it maintains pH. Just know that, like, yeah, you are taking blood, you are just maintaining the pH and stuff like that. Now, arteries are different from veins. Why? Arteries carry oxygenated blood away, except the pulmonary artery, while veins carry deoxygenated blood. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away, while the veins carry deoxygenated blood back, okay, except the pulmonary vein. Okay. Now, let's see a diagram of the artery. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, and blood is under great pressure. Why they always generalize it that arteries carry blood away from the heart is because there's only one exception, and that's the pulmonary artery. And if you have over hundreds of arteries in the body and they do the same thing except one, most of the times you will just say that okay, all of them do the thing, okay? Then to be specific, you say except, okay? Now, you see the artery, you see the arterioles, you see the capillary bed where the arterioles and the venules meet, and this is the venule, okay? Now this is the vein, all right? That's just how the circulatory system goes. Okay. Now, having spoken about the artery to know that it carries blood away from the heart, what is an arteriole? We said that an arteriole is a small diameter blood vessel in the microcircular system. Why do they say it's a microcircular circulation system? Is because it meets at the capillary bed, and the capillary bed is so thin, okay, and it extends and branches out from an artery and leads to what? Capillaries, okay. So that's an arteriole. Okay, that's an arteriole. It branches out from an artery and leads to the capillaries. Okay. Arteries, arterioles, simple for you to understand just because you know that arteries are what? Continuation of arterioles. Okay, so that's just some simple knowledge right there. Now I put the difference between the arteries and the arteriole in tabular form. Okay. Now, based on definition, you should know that arteries deliver oxygen, okay, from the heart to the tissues of the blood, while arterioles are smaller arteries, okay, that carry blood to the capillary bed. Okay. Now, next pathway. Arteries extend from the aorta and leads to the arterioles. Okay. Arteries give rise to arterioles. Okay. Do you understand? Why arterioles extend from arteries? Okay. Arterioles are just like children of arteries and stuff like that. Okay. This is just a whole lot of extra knowledge. What I would like you to grab here is okay. Arteries carries oxygenated blood away to the body tissues. Okay, now arterioles are extensions of arteries. Okay, arterioles join with venules at the capillary bed. Okay, that's what I want you to understand for now. If you understand, trust me, if you understand this knowledge and you read circulatory system more, you get to build on this knowledge by yourself. Okay, so just get the basics, then work on it. Okay, so with these guys, I think we are done. Not really done. These are artery. Arterioles are continuations of arteries. Okay, they join with the venules at the wall, the capillary bed. Okay, beautiful knowledge. Now, in summary, we say that arteries and arterioles are part of blood circulation. Arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood away from the heart. Arteries further branch into small arteries called the arterioles. Okay, arterioles further divide into capillaries. Alright, just not really capillaries, but they join with the venules at the capillary bed. Okay, which are tiny blood vessels that facilitate the exchange of water, nutrients, or even oxygen. Alright, and now for oxygen to diffuse out, for nutrients to diffuse out, for water to diffuse out, there needs to be like the 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 vessel needs to be very thin. Okay, the vessel needs to be very thin. All right, that's why arteries had to divide into smaller components called what, the arterioles. Okay, so with these guys, I think we are done. This is just like some extra knowledge. I think with these guys, we are done with the difference between arteries and arterioles. Okay, so see you guys in the next tutorial, and bye for now.